Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic, prompt engineering. We'll explore the fascinating aspects of prompt engineering and its career opportunities, how you can monetize your skills, and share some strategies for effective prompt engineering. So, let's get started. What is prompt engineering? Before we dive into the career prospects and monetization strategies, let's take a closer look at what prompt engineering is all about. Prompt engineering is a crucial process in artificial intelligence, AI, that involves optimizing how we question AI models to obtain high-quality responses. It plays a significant role in fine-tuning the output of AI models and improving their performance. At its core, prompt engineering is crafting well-structured prompts that guide AI models to generate accurate and valuable insights. It goes beyond simply feeding raw data into the model and requires careful consideration of the prompt's wording, context, and desired outcome. Designing prompts effectively can influence the AI model's behavior and elicit the desired responses. One of the main goals of prompt engineering is to achieve high accuracy and relevance in AI-generated outputs. This involves experimenting with different prompt variations, adjusting the level of specificity, and providing the necessary context to ensure the AI understands the task at hand. Through iterative refinement and analysis of the model's responses, prompt engineers continually optimize and enhance the performance of AI systems. Prompt engineering also plays a crucial role in mitigating biases and ethical concerns in AI applications. By crafting prompts that promote fairness, inclusivity, and ethical standards, prompt engineers can contribute to responsible AI development and usage. In summary, prompt engineering optimizes prompts to guide AI models and improve performance. It involves careful crafting of prompts, experimentation, and iterative refinement to achieve high accuracy, relevance, and ethical standards in AI-generated outputs. Exploring career paths in prompt engineering. 1. In-house prompt engineer. Many large organizations and tech companies hire prompt engineers for their AI teams. As an in-house prompt engineer, you'll work closely with AI models, fine-tuning prompts and optimizing the AI's responses for specific tasks. This role offers a chance to contribute to cutting-edge AI projects within established companies. 2. Consulting and freelancing. Prompt engineering offers great potential for starting a consulting business or freelancing. Many companies, especially startups and smaller organizations, may lack in-house prompt engineering expertise. As a prompt engineering consultant, you can provide services like prompt optimization, training teams, and developing customized prompt strategies for specific business needs. 3. AI research and development. If you have a strong technical background and a passion for AI, prompt engineering can be an entry point into AI research and development. Working in research labs or AI-focused companies, you can explore new techniques and approaches to prompt engineering, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. 4. AI education and training. As the demand for AI skills grows, there is a need for prompt engineering instructors and trainers. You can leverage your expertise to teach others the art of crafting effective prompts and guide them in using AI models more effectively. This can be done through online courses, workshops, or even developing educational content for AI enthusiasts. Monetizing your prompt engineering skills. Now, let's talk about how you can monetize your prompt engineering skills and turn your expertise into a source of income. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Consulting services. Starting a prompt engineering consulting business can be lucrative. You can offer services like prompt optimization, strategy development, and AI implementation guidance for companies that want to leverage AI effectively. 2. Online courses and workshops. Sharing your knowledge through online courses and workshops is another way to monetize your prompt engineering skills. Create comprehensive courses that teach the fundamentals of prompt engineering and provide practical examples. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make reaching a wide audience easily and generate income from your courses. 3. Content creation. Building an online presence through content creation can open doors for various monetization opportunities. Start a blog or a YouTube channel where you share tips, tutorials, and insights on prompt engineering. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even offering premium content or coaching services. 4. Collaboration and partnerships. Collaborating with AI-focused companies, AI researchers, or other professionals in the field can lead to partnership opportunities. Combining your prompt engineering skills with additional AI expertise allows you to create innovative solutions, develop AI-powered products, or provide joint consulting services. Strategies for effective prompt engineering. Crafting effective prompts is crucial. for successful prompt engineering and achieving high-quality results. Here are some strategies for prompt practical engineering. 1. Clarity in task specification. When crafting prompts, provide clear and specific instructions to the AI model. Define the task, desired outcome, and any specific requirements or constraints. Precise task specifications help the AI understand the context and respond more accurately. 2. Response formatting. Guide the AI model to structure the response. Specify the format in which you want the information presented, such as bullet points, summaries, or detailed explanations. Formatting the answer ensures the output aligns with your intended use. 3. Contextual prompts. Context plays a significant role in prompt engineering. In your prompts, provide relevant background information or context to help the AI understand the specific domain or subject matter. This improves the quality and relevance of the responses. 4. Iterative refinement. Prompt engineering is an iterative process. Continuously analyze the AI model's responses and refine your prompts based on feedback. Experiment with different variations of prompts to identify what works best for achieving the desired outcomes. 5. Ethical considerations. When crafting prompts, be aware of and address ethical considerations. Avoid biased or discriminatory language, promote inclusivity, and ensure that the AI-generated content meets ethical standards. Prompt engineers are responsible for mitigating potential biases and fostering responsible AI usage. Remember, practical prompt engineering is a skill that develops with practice and experience. Continuously refining your prompt engineering strategies will enable you to achieve better results and unlock the full potential of AI. Prompt engineering not only offers exciting career opportunities but also provides avenues to monetize your skills. By offering consulting services, creating educational content, or exploring collaborations, you can turn your expertise in prompt engineering into a profitable venture. Embrace the opportunities, keep honing your skills, and enjoy a fulfilling career in this rapidly evolving field. Thank you for joining us in exploring prompt engineering, career prospects, and monetization strategies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this information. As always, we appreciate your feedback and comments. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. And until next time, keep embracing the world of prompt engineering and AI.